The differences between information technology management and technology or infrastructure is pretty significant. As many of you know, at Ryerson we have the Ted Rogers School of Information Technology Management. And why do I distinguish, and why do I think that distinction is important? Well, a couple of things. ITM, first of all, is about how technology fits into business. It isn't about the business of technology. I don't really care about the widgets and the wonky gadgets and the toys. I mean, I think they're all great, and they're neat. They do great things. But it isn't about the technology. It's about how technology can make a business different, perhaps more effective, more efficient, give it broader reach, perhaps give it a low cost of operating. When we think about ITM, we think about how to manage technology in the context of a business, in fact, in the context of a business process more than anything else. Every business is comprised of a series of processes, whether we're talking about the process of acquiring a customer by having websites and being found and search engine optimization and all the things that go into being located so that somebody can find your website. And then there's the whole issue of the process of a customer transaction. How do they purchase the goods or services online? Is the product delivered electronically and downloaded immediately, or is it a service that's provided online, or does it relate in the physical delivery of goods, in which case you also have a logistics process that might involve customer order handling, warehousing. What about support? What about the issue of customers who get stuck or who are not as savvy technologically? What are you going to do to help them over the hurdle so they become purchasers? So all these kinds of questions are really management questions. They're business questions. They're not questions of technology. Technology is best left to technologists, right? People who really care about the core things, processors and servers and databases and storage and backup. And yeah, it's all deeply gripping and interesting if you happen to be a technologist. It's kind of boring if you're in business. So I really do distinguish, and I don't think of myself, although some people would say I know a lot about technology, I don't think of myself as a technologist so much as I do somebody who understands how to deploy technology in a business. And that really is the essence of e-business. E-business is about how do you leverage technology to make your business one which is accessible to online consumers.